Me and my son are out here in Lytle. We got the blower, 2 weed eaters, gas, a couple of cars, and we're gonna try to clean this old truck up. I know we've cleaned it up before, but my van's getting worked on right now, and it's at the mechanic shop, and the mechanic shop guy let me build a track in his back because it's in a flood zone and nobody could build anything here. So he was like, hey, build a track in the back. So I did, but it's, as you can see, it's got a lot of grass in there. The berm, you can't even see the berm. You can see where the rain just washed all the dirt off and just left rocks. That's crazy, but we're gonna get after it, see if we can clean this place up again, just to play around and mess around. So that's what we're gonna do with our time while we're waiting for my van to get fixed. So here we go. Take it easy. Electric start weed eater. I'm going with the 24 Max electric brushless, and we're gonna get after it. Always got to water the track. You don't want all that dust and stuff going in your truck. So when you water it, it keeps the dust down, keeps all the stuff down, getting in your gears, and it gives you a little extra grip. And this stuff hasn't been watered in forever. If you could tell, it's dry. He's running with the Arma. What is that? The Arma what? The Arma Go Fast. He's trying to figure out how to turn it on. Alright, he's gonna give it a test lap. Let's see how he does. He's never actually literally driven this with any RC car, so we'll see how he does. What do you think about trying the dirt bike on this thing?
It's not gonna work.
It's not gonna work? He's about to try the MX. Let's see how he goes. First battery. We brought 2 batteries for the MX. I told him, it's probably gonna take you a first battery to get used to it. He goes, oh yeah? Let's see what he gets. All right, he's doing good already. All right, he's doing good already. Oh, he's doing good already. You can't leave the little guys out. What is that, 3S? That little thing's fast.
Hard to control.
Because it's so fast?
No, it's got open diff.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's sick.
It's a knockoff tractor.
There you go, Chris. Oh, that was good, Chris. You were doing good. Nice, Chris. There you go, Chris. There you go, Chris. Oh! Oh! This is Matco Tools, straight off the truck. My buddy that owns this place, Quicksilver Automotive, he gets the hookup, and Matco Tools comes over here, and he's an RC enthusiast as I am. That's why we have this track here. But yeah, this is fresh off the truck. Oh, he's trying to throw me the controller. I'm gonna throw him the camera. Let's see what we can do with this. He's a little trigger happy on it. Oh, it's quick. I haven't even full throttled it. Oh yeah, you can't full throttle it because it's quick. He's gonna try to transfer from there into there. If y'all don't know, this MX it's not the easiest RC to drive. Yuck! That'll work? Yeah! That'll work. Yeah! Oh, he started it first try. Jump it off of that. No. Jump it off the end. Jump it off the end of this table. Yeah, do it. It's an Arma. It's made to do that. Do it. Do it. Bam! Bam! He's off. Nice. That was cool. And
Oh, no, but
sure the battery didn't come out?
no, it's still.
She did? Maybe she overheated. Show us what happened, Chris.
This got hot.
That got hot and melted off.
Yeah, that wire is hot.
Oh, so this wire
Touch it on there?
Oh my God, that thing is hot.
See, look.
Oh God, that thing's hot. So
It's off.
this wire came off
Melted off.
melted off
The solder got hot and unsoldered.
Whoa,
itself.
dude.
The solder unsoldered itself. That's how hot it got.
So we're gonna be finishing this video off with the dirt bike. All right, so this is gonna be the last battery we have. He doesn't really like driving the dirt bike because it's super hard to drive. It's super, especially in super hard, tight. He does not have a broken hand. Holy crap, he has a broken arm. Hey, his arm broke off. Yes, let me see it. Hey! So we got a jump planned. He's gonna launch from there over that fence. I think he can do it. He's thinking he can't. I totally think he can. Send it. First try, you got this, Chris. My son's an awesome driver. I believe he can do this. It may take a couple of tries, but you're gonna witness every moment that we have trying to get it done. Chris, you got this. It may not be the first try, but you got the second one, or the third, or the fourth. You got this. If it breaks, it breaks. I totally think he's got this. Come on, Christopher. Yeah, it's still going. Perfect. Dude, that was clean. Oh, that was it. Yes. That was actually pretty good. Oh, you jumped over the whole thing.